Hey guys, today I will show you how to verify your Dota 2 files. If your game is crashing, not launching properly, or acting weird after an update, this method can usually fix it in just a few minutes. First, make sure Dota 2 is completely closed. Next, open Steam and go to your library. From your game list, find Dota 2, then right-click on it and select Properties. Once the window opens, click on Installed Files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will start checking all of your Dota 2 files automatically. This process may take a few minutes depending on your PC and drive speed. If Steam finds any missing or corrupted files, it will re-download and replace them for you. When the verification is finished, simply close the window and launch Dota 2 again. This is one of the best ways to fix issues like crashes, black screens, missing textures, or failed updates without reinstalling the whole game. Quick tip: after verifying the files, restart Steam before opening Dota 2 to make sure all fixes are applied properly. And that is how to verify Dota 2 files. Thank you so much for watching.